We are here in Teton Pass and we are going to hike up to Mountain Lake. I think it's a couple miles, mostly uphill, so little bit of a challenging hike, but there's already lots and lots of wildflowers, which are my favorite, so it should be a fun hike.
Before we even got to the trailhead, we found this seat where many butterflies were hanging out. There were lots of wildflowers nearby that some of the butterflies were visiting. Wildflowers are one of my favorite things to photograph, so I automatically like any trail better when there's a variety of flowers. For the most part, this trail was very open, and there were beautiful views of the surrounding mountains. This was one of my favorite views on the trail. I love whenever the trees break up and you are treated with a beautiful overlook. Towards the end of the trail, we came to a stream crossing, and there were so many butterflies hanging out there.
We made it to the lake. It is more of a pond, really. It is a very, very small puddle up here in the mountains. It's pretty though. It has this nice, pretty color of the water, like this greenish teal, and the water is very clear. So it's a very pretty lake, but very small. It's also very chilly up here. I was not expecting it to be this cold. I did bring a jacket though, because I know mountains can get cold, and I put my jacket on. And yeah, gonna sit here by the lake a little bit before we hike back down.
While we were taking a break at the lake, I noticed some flowers that had some really good sunlight on them, so I had to take some more photos. While I found the lake itself to be disappointing, between the wildflowers and the butterflies and the views and the good weather, I really enjoyed myself on this hike. It was definitely a hike that was more about the journey than the destination. And of course, I found more flowers to photograph on our hike out.